Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women's skirt designs. Handmade skirt designs you can see in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and amazing collection. Different color, different design ideas in front of you one by one. For those ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, then you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet women skirt designs and others like crochet women long dresses, short dresses, crochet women cardigan designs, sweater design, blouse designs, neck warmer, leg warmer designs, crochet women poncho design, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves also, crochet baby collection like crochet baby frog designs, romper designs, cap designs, scarf designs also, crochet baby feet collection like great baby boot designs, sandal designs, crochet jewelry like crochet women necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings also, feet jewelry like crochet anklet designs. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. Now